and welcome back to my channel. Today is gender reveal day. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then I'm pregnant. So I'm gonna kind of show you guys the decorations that we kind of have. I got these from Amazon. I have a link of where you can get fun, cute party pack decorations from on Amazon. So easy to put together. Yeah, Jody is out. Is it not focused on me? Jody is out getting food. So yeah, it's been a while. Okay, a girl got married and a whole pregnant up out here. So outside it's raining, but Jody is making queso, and there is our only decoration for outside. Here for the sex. We got a table out here, but I don't think nobody's gonna be sitting there. Oh my god, the fog. Because of the rain. So yeah, we've got some. I'm gonna change my battery. I didn't realize this junk was dead. Some cupcakes. We have more over there, but there's cupcakes, all of that. I'm gonna show you. And yeah, my brother's over here doing magic tricks.
We're not gonna make it.
Y'all all need to be here. We need to be back here.
Okay. Just as long as they not returning, just give them a phone.
What now?
Just, yeah, you can go over here.
Watch out, bro.
Oh.
Matthew. Yeah, let's go. Yeah,
Come on.
How you do this?
I don't know. Okay, it says hold tightly with 2 hands.
No, you don't listen. You wish that you would do it.
Okay, twist firmly near the arrow. Damn it. I guess you just turn it that way. Make sure you have it the right way, Asia. Okay. You twist it the wrong way. Oh, no. It's not going to work out right.
Are y'all supposed to be pointing it towards us?
No, it's supposed to go up.
Scary.
Okay, ready? Scoot over a little bit.
Hold on. We're going to let them do the 3 count.
Okay. You ready, Asia?
All right, y'all ready?
Up, up and away. Ready?
Hold on. Wait on your mom. I think we got to wait on her.
Who?
There we
Can
go.
you see it?
I can see her.
Sherry didn't answer. It's okay.
Okay, ready?
3.
On y'all.
3.
1, 2, 3.